Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. We're gonna start here with the daily close for Bitcoin on the 15-minute chart, and we'll see a little bit, of course, where are we on the bigger or macro time frame after it. So basically, we have here, of course, still our potential scenario as a wave. A finished can be here. And it can be, of course, a wave one, of course, in case we have double 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a 4, and a 5. Now, why I take a wave A here? Because very likely that we are in a possibility here for a triangle A, B, C, D, and a E as well, and then pushing for a wave C toward the upside. Meaning, of course, a simply wave 4 that we are looking for it here, that it might still be unfolding, of course, from the double 1, 2, and then wave 3, and then wave 4 and a 5. Okay, so this wave 4 that I'm looking in the magenta. So basically, this can be a possibility, a triangle unfolding here, and then we might, of course, push for higher. In any case, because anyway, if you are corrective as well, this is obviously a finished correction, and we start to push for higher here. However, we still see, of course, some hesitation in the crypto market and in Bitcoin today. We see also a lot of red again, and somehow the things doesn't continue with one scenario, only toward the downside sometimes. And we still, of course, yeah, I mean, the things are still, of course, under pressure of selling, and we still, of course, facing this potential drop that it might continue directly. Well, only in one case, guys. In one case where we break at least here the 1-to-1 flip level, we break the 0.5, I would say. That means, of course, there is nothing as a 1-to-1 here. Potentially can be something as double 1, 2, and even continue the drop toward the downside. I would not be surprised if this happened, since the crypto market is very weak lately, and we're looking, of course, for bearish everywhere. So I will see. Anyway, we'll see step by step. Confirmation for lower has to be taken first, of course. We'll see if this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or potential A, B, C, D, meaning looking after a zigzag here for a wave D, and a wave E finishing, of course, the triangle, and then pushing for higher. So hopefully that we start this push toward the upside, at least to finish this recovery. I would like just to see, of course, the crypto market finishing the bear market as soon as possible, honestly, because not because of Bitcoin, but also the altcoins. Yeah, the altcoins are drained almost. They are almost at zero, guys. So the crypto market is really painful right now. So trade safe, of course, guys, with it. So what we are expecting, therefore, on the macro level, we might have an ABC here as a wave Y, right? The wave Y, which is coming, of course, from the top here, from the all-time high, as a potential W, X, and a wave Y. The wave Y can be now two possibilities. Finished, and you're looking for something for higher, really high, okay? Or we still, of course, looking for a wave C unfinished in a wave Y. And that means this wave C is unfinished yet. This might be, of course, the wave 3 after double 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, and a 5. But we gotta be careful, because this might open, of course, another possibility, which is the deep correction for Bitcoin. And that means, of course, a very deep one, that it might be, of course, an impulse there toward the downside. Yeah, so by all means, if we finish here a wave 3 in double 4, 5, it might get a wave 4 here, and then 5, 4, and a 5, since we have 1, 2, 1, 2. And this is, of course, expanding diagonal. It is allowed to be a wave 1 only, and as a 1, 2 here, and then 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, finishing an impulse only as a wave A. And that means, of course, we might be in a huge zigzag there, A, B, and a C. Hopefully not, of course. Hopefully we are only in a short correction here for Bitcoin, and that the things transform into a regular flat for a shallow wave 2, which it should be, since we are again in a wave 3 over 3 here unfolding. Of course, after 1, 2, we're looking for a wave 3, which is a major wave 3, and currently the internal wave 3 of a wave 3 can be, of course, very, very impulsive, especially from the 0.38. Yeah. especially for Bitcoin. It's a characteristic again for Bitcoin. Always when we are in a wave 3 over 3, the 0.38 is a minimum requirement, and of course it can be hit and directly starting the pull toward the upside. So we'll see which scenario, guys. Is it a regular flat or a very deep correction here? Can be resulting, of course, as a deep ABC. Yep, so that was it for Bitcoin, the daily close. We'll see, guys, what's gonna happen next. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.